Day 17. The healing power of boundaries. Scripture Proverbs 4:23. Above all else, guard your heart, for everything you do flows from it. Memoir. I didn't know what boundaries were until I realized I had been allowing people to drain me. Emotionally setting boundaries felt foreign, but it became a vital part of my healing. It was an act of self-care and self-respect. Reflection. Boundaries are not walls, they are guidelines that protect our hearts, minds, and souls. By setting healthy boundaries, we make space for God to work in us. Journal prompt. Pause and write your thoughts. What areas of your life need stronger boundaries? How can you begin to set limits that protect your heart and healing? Lord, help me to establish healthy boundaries that honor you and protect my heart. Show me how to guard my emotions and energy wisely, Amy.